everyone, it's Raquel and today's recipe is going to be curried chicken foot. Yes, you heard right. Chicken feet is a favorite in the Caribbean and having it curried is one of Jamaica's favorites. Really delicious. Over here, I have some chicken feet that was stripped and washed. I also went ahead and removed the tip of the nails and give it a slight chop in half so they are nice and clean. Now to this, I'm going to season with some salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, my green seasoned blend, and some curried powder. Mixing that together, and we're going to season and cook this just as how you would curry chicken. And also to this, I'm going to add some chopped garlic, and the garlic is my must-have spice. Can't seem to cook without it, and it is known to be an antibiotic, so you know it's good stuff. I'm gonna cook this right away. So to my pot over medium heat, I'm gonna add some cooking oil along with some curry powder, and I'm just gonna allow this to toast a bit, then in with the chicken feet. Allowing this to soak up the toasty curry powder. Now to the seasoned container, I'm going to rinse with some water and I'm going to add that in. Then I'm going to cover under the lowest heat just for a few minutes. Three to 4 minutes later, this curry stew have become really nice and thick, smelling so delicious. And chicken foot takes a longer time to cook than chicken, so now I'm gonna add some water along with some chopped onion, garlic, bell peppers, pimento peppers, and some scallion for flavor. Also to this, I'm gonna add some fresh thyme and a whole hot pepper, and I'm gonna cover this down under the lowest heat and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, and this is looking so good. I'm just going to remove this hot pepper to prevent it from bursting, and the meat is tender and the sauce is thick and flavorful. Now to this, I'm also going to add some carrot and some butter beans. Chicken foot is high in collagen, so it's great for people with joint problems. It also have a good source of hyaluronic acid, which is considered the fountain of youth. So it's not only delicious, but it's healthy stuff. After adding the carrots and the butter beans, give it another 3 more minutes of cooking time, and that's it. It's ready to serve. And what's best to go with this than some hot steaming plain rice? The butter beans added more nutritional values to this dish and it makes it even more delicious. Thank you so very much for watching.